Hi friends, how are you all today? I hope you are all fine. Be happy always. Okay, so here we are going to see an interesting topic. You will have seen lots of photos with sky as background. You will have seen portrait photographies with sky background and all. And everyone wonder how to change the background. I mean the sky color. Everyone thinks that it is a great work. It is very hard to change sky background and all. So let's see how people will change the background of the sky. Okay, here I have created another duplicate layer of my original image, because I recommend you always create a duplicate image of your original one. Don't work in original one, because you are going to experiment lot of things now. Okay, so here I have created a new layer. I mean duplicated the original image by pressing Ctrl plus J. Ctrl plus J for duplicating the layer. Okay, you can see a layer here. So what you usually do? Okay, okay, I have created another layer, and always create another layer if you, so you can easily delete instead of if it didn't go very well and all. Okay, here I am choosing lasso tool. You can press L, or you can come here and click lasso tool. Okay, so we'll draw here. We are selecting this background. Okay, now we have selected the background. Next, what we will do, we will fill the color. Am I right? Okay, we will fill the color. Okay, yeah, we have filled the color. Now what we will do, now automatically we will decrease opacity. This is what we do, and we will give some feather and all. Here you can give feather 10 and all. This is what everyone does. Am I right? It's heavy work. It takes lots of time. You don't need to do this whole process. You just forgot this lasso tool and everything. You don't need this kind of process. You just want, okay, we will delete this one. Okay, I just want to show you how we are going to work. Okay, we don't want to do this kind of steps and all. It's so easy. Okay, I am deleting, and okay, I am deleting this layer. Okay, so here this is our image, and it's so simple. Just listen. Okay, we will go to edit. You will see an option called sky replacement. Here it is a magic of Photoshop. You are going to see, you are going to witness it. Okay, sky replacement, and it's processing. Wait for it. Yeah, man, it's changed. Okay, you can adjust your background as per your wish. You can fade the edge. You can increase the light, increase the brightness. Look, it's going. Okay, wow, it's brightness have increased a lot, and even you can see the color is changing, and you can even scale also. It's all up to you, how you like to work. How you like to look the background. You can choose different modes of blue skies. You can choose here this one, and look, it's have changed a lot. Am I right? It have changed from a plain sky to a wonderful cloud sky. You can change to this one also. You look, lots of changes is happening here. No, it's so easy process. You don't want to go to laser tool and all. This is very easy process. Okay, this is very easy. This is only you want to do. Okay, even you can look, even you can add this kind of clouds. How? And yeah, look, it's so good, man. And you have, I don't think that I mean editing this sky part is over. You have to edit these paddy fields also. You have to increase the brightness, curves and all. I will catch up that thing in another video. You have to edit these all things, and then it will match with the sky. I think you all understanding. If you don't understand, please comment, I will reply. It's so easy, man. It's so easy. Wonderful. Wow. Wow, wow. It's changing. It's changing. Oh, man. It's so super. Wow. When there is any need of I'm loving it. I'm loving this one sky replacement, man. Jeez, oh hey, it's so good, man. Superb. Wow, yeah. Here we go, man. See. Awesome, awesome. Oh, there is any chance. It's so awesome. Thank you so much for Photoshop for creating this kind of plugins. Sky Replace. It is available for everyone who is. I think it's for Photoshop CC. I think it is available. You don't need to buy this plugin and all. You don't want to download it. It's already in edit. You can go to edit sky and click on sky replacement. It's so easy task, guys. I think you will forget this lasso tool and this kind of hectic process and all, and you will come to this sky replacement. Okay, that's it. If you don't understand anything that I have told so far, you can just comment or follow my Instagram, Jishnu Creations 2021, or you can follow my other Instagram, Shobha underscore J underscore. You can DM me if any have doubts. If anyone needs online class, please contact me. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Keep supporting and subscribe and like. Thank you.